Welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on natural language processing using Python. As we have gone through many videos on speech recognition, such as speech recognition using text, using command line speech recognition, using stimuli. Then we have seen language translation using speech recognition. Then we have seen emotion detection from text. Then we have seen speech recognition in different ways. Also we have seen videos on latest video that open the Google Chrome using speech recognition and many more. Today's video is really creative. It is all about language translation without using speech recognition. Up till now every video of mine was using speech recognition, but today we are going to see language translation without speech recognition. So let us go through the program. This is all about the code. Here now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So choose the language, input language. I will choose English, obviously. English. Hello, good morning. How are you? It is, I need to convert in Marathi. Okay. Yes, hello, good morning, कसे आहात? Now I will convert it in Hindi. यस नमस्कार, सुप्रभात, आप कैसे हैं? नाउ आई विल ट्राई अनदर लैंग्वेज, मलयालम, तमिल. यस, इट इज देयर इन तमिल. Spanish. Yes, so I successfully done with language translation without using speech recognition. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning with Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, attendance system, face recognition, face detection, fruits and vegetable classification, stimuli, then natural language processing using conversion of text to speech and speech to text, and emotion detection, facial emotion, text emotion detection using stimuli, and many more videos. If possible, I will be back with more and more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, Multistack, Full Stack, Postman. Thanks for watching.